Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a white chocolate raspberry cheesecake with homemade raspberry sauce. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm going to show you here what we're going to use, but a list of everything will be in the description box below. So for this recipe, you will need a 9-inch springform pan, a mesh strainer, and an offset spatula. Okay, so let's start making our homemade raspberry sauce. This was fairly quick and easy. I just used a 12-ounce bag of frozen raspberries, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar depending on your sweetness level, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, some lemon juice, and some water. And you're going to add the cornstarch at the end once the mixture looks like that. And this is what the syrup is going to look like when it's done. I'm going to go ahead and pour the syrup in the strainer. There's a bowl underneath to catch the syrup. This right here is what you're going to discard. We don't need that. Once you have pushed all the syrup through, this is what you're going to have, raspberry sauce. Now I'm going to add the graham crackers to the food processor. If you have a pulsating button on your food processor, that's what you want to use. Once your graham cracker starts to look like this, you want to start drizzling in the melted butter as you pulsate while you're adding that into the mixture. So you do want to scrape the bowl down, and then this should feel kind of like wet sand. Okay, so now you're going to add this to your springform pan right here. Going to take the offset spatula to kind of get it moving around, and then you're going to transfer over to using a cup to kind of get a nice smooth bottom for your cheesecake. Once this is done, you want to go ahead and toss this in the freezer while you're preparing the rest of your recipe. So now you're going to melt your white chocolate in the microwave. I do 30-second intervals and just stir in between until the consistency is the way you like it. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of milk. For this recipe, I used about a half of a bag. The bag was 11 ounces, so I used about 5 or 6 ounces of that bag. This recipe, I like to use this particular brand, the Philadelphia Cheesecake No Bake filling. Unfortunately, in my grocery store, this is seasonal. Only Thanksgiving and Christmas time will you be able to find it, but I highly recommend this brand. You want to go ahead and add both tubs into a large mixing bowl, and then you're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. Those of you who know me, most of the time I don't measure vanilla, and I always add more than what a recipe calls for. Don't judge me. And again, you want to fold that in. Don't whisk it, don't stir it. Same thing with the white chocolate here. Fold it in so that you don't break down the properties in the cream cheese mixture. So now we're going to add about 1/3 of this filling into the graham cracker crust that we took out of the freezer. Guys, don't forget, if you like quick and easy recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of all new videos. So I transferred my raspberry sauce once it was cooled into this bottle here. You want to take a wooden skewer, or you can use a fork, and just make some little squiggly lines so that the raspberry sauce can get into the mixture of the filling that you made right here. So fun fact, did you guys know that Junior's restaurant is considered to have one of the best cheesecakes in the world? Comment below and let me know, where's your favorite cheesecake spot? Okay, so now you're going to add the remaining cheesecake filling, and then you're just going to smooth this out on the top. Remember, this is a no-bake cheesecake, so it is going to be a lot creamier than the ones that you would bake in the oven. Therefore, I would recommend having this in the refrigerator overnight, but also if you need to eat it sooner than that, 6 to 8 hours refrigerated should be okay. Guys, tell me in the comment section, what desserts are you making for Christmas this year? So right here, I'm just going to make little dots in the cheesecake of the raspberry sauce. You can make them like different sizes, but you'll see what we're going to do in just a couple seconds here, just to make it pretty decorations, or at least I thought it was pretty. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Guys, share this recipe with someone who's looking for a quick, easy dessert. So I don't know what you guys think, but I think this is pretty fancy. Look at that, girl. I know it looks really good, guys, but you want to go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator. Overnight would be preferable, but 6 to 8 hours, it should set enough for you to cut it. That's it, a no-bake white chocolate raspberry cheesecake with homemade raspberry sauce. Guys, let me know if you make this recipe. Don't forget to watch my other recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.